Edmodo has many different options for editing posts, so we're going to actually have a look at that today as to the different ways that you can actually use your posts in any group. First of all, we'll start by how do we edit or delete. I'm just going to put in a quick post into this group. I'm posting it to the Techno Lounge, sending that through, and that comes through. Now, if I've made a spelling error or I've put something in that I don't like, you can actually click on this little arrow, so you hover over it, and you can either delete your post or you can edit it. So, hello world. So you can change that around very, very easily. And remember, if you link library items or links, you can't actually change them. It's probably better just to retype the post and send it again. Now, a really cool feature of Edmodo, which I really like and could come in very handy for classes, is being able to schedule a post, so not send it now. So you can actually choose a day, so let's say the 21st of January, choose the time that this post will actually post, 8 AM, and click OK. Now, it's scheduled. All you have to do is click send, and what will happen is you'll get a blue bar saying your post has been successfully scheduled, and you can be found under notifications. Now, notifications are up here. Now, I actually have two scheduled posts. So let's say one of those posts I'm not happy and I need to change that. So again, click down on this little arrow on the right hand side. I can either delete that. I'm going to delete one of them, get rid of it, and the other one I'm going to reschedule. So again, click reschedule and go down. I think, oh, I want it on the 23rd. So you can actually set up posts ahead of time if you're busy and you know that they're going to go out at that right time. This is really important. I wouldn't suggest you go too far in advance, just in case that they don't come through. Now, within any post, let's say this one here, you click down. We've looked at delete posts, we've looked at editing it. To share, you can actually type in a note and actually send it to another group, or student group or teacher group. Another is to link to this post. And what that means is every post has a unique URL. So what that means is you can actually send it through to another group. So I can either, I want to print this, I think it's a great post, click view post, and that's the way it will show up in another page. But I don't want to do that. So we'll go back and we'll link to this post. So all I have to do, I want to link this post to another post. So I'm just cutting, close that, and then put in another one. And then I'm going to link. So I'll put that in. And that should retrieve what that's all about. Then click attach. So I've attached this post to another post in another group. Just be aware that in some groups, not everyone will be able to see this. But it's a way of actually grabbing hold of what I posted originally or someone else and adding to it, which is an excellent thing. Now, one of the other things is if I really like a post, you can actually click the add post to a library and it will go directly to your library and sit in the main area. Now, the last one I'm going to show you is how to make a post public. Now, what I'm going to do, I'll take this one here. Each group has a public page, and if you are the owner of that group, you can make post public. So I'll just click that, and now it's made public. You'll see I can then change it back if I change my mind. So I'm going to make that public. And in this group, you go to the public page. And this is the page that if someone typed your group name in and Edmodo, they would receive that. So you can show them different posts, and that's just a couple. So within Edmodo, there are many different ways of using these posts, and it's a very, very powerful way of getting the information out and adding or sharing information from other groups or other people.